Hey, so I finally, like right 1 second after I finished the other sort of tutorial, I found out how to make the progress bar working finally, and it's actually really simple. And I asked in the MU community, and one person, he said that he configured it the values of the progress bar like this, which is actually really simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically, let's just remove this dot. So remove it, and let's just create a progress bar. So basically, you create a progress bar. And then you put the screen anchor to center left. You put the width all the way to the end of your, well, it depends where you want to have it. It's up to you. So mine as always is 3.83. You don't actually need to remember that number this time. And let's just make the color to something you can see, red. So yeah. So then what you want to do is, you do not want to go into advanced parameters, you want to go into edit progress min max value. Then you go to custom, and then you modify this code here, which is really simple, and I did not figure this out. Like I didn't even think of that. So all you have to do is tmu underscore track underscore track underscore PERC hashtag, and as you can see it says 27, so that's your well, you know what it is. And basically the min value you leave at 0, the max value you leave at 100. And my problem was always that, since the width, the total width and the end point of my widget is 383, so I thought 383 equals to 100, since the overall widget is 383 long. So that's why I thought that would be my 100, and since 0 would be my start value because the x offset is at 0. But apparently you don't change that, you just leave it at 0 and 100. So you hit OK, and the progress bar changed. Let's go play a song. Yeah. Okay. What? Really? Now? Alright. So let's play that song. Let's move it here a bit. Oh, God damn it. Okay, let's change the song. And as you can see, it moves in from there. Like it's actually moving. And it's so simple. And I did not figure this out, so well, now I know how to do it, which is pretty simple. And yeah, just now when I tried it, it moved all the way to the end. So let's say right now the song is here, so pretty much at the beginning. And when we go back to Spotify, and as you can see, the song is also like at the beginning. So like, yeah. So I hope it goes all the way to the end, because if not, it's just annoying again. So yeah, and if you want to move, if you want to put that the knob thingy, the bitmap thing we just created in the previous video, if you want to put it there, the thing with that is that you have to adjust it as well. Like you have to adjust the x offset, because let's say we put, I'll just show it to you what I mean. So bitmap, I'll just show it to you really quick, so like, God damn it, center left. And now as you can see, the dot is like here, which is not all the way at the right side. So when the song starts, the progress bar, there will be a gap. So basically what you have to do there is you have to change the x offset at the start, before you add advanced parameters. So you put the X offset all the way, well, depending where you want it to start. So I'm just gonna make it start at -30. So then my X offset has changed, obviously, then also my advanced parameters have changed as well. So, alright, so I just paste it in, and basically this value is going to be -30. What did I do? Oh, -30 plus the mu track. Then the width of my, so the width of my widget is, as usual, 383. So you just add that. That's going to be 400. 413. What? So yeah, 413 is the n value. Then you just divide it by 100, which is going to be 4.13. What? So yeah, that should be that. So then you can see the percentage as usual, like I showed you in the previous video. So okay, and as you can see, they're both moving, but there's still a bit of a gap. So you just need to play with the X offset. So when I exit this out, as you can see, they're both moving, but there's still this gap. So and also another thing is the circle, it moves first and then the progress bar moves. So I guess if your bar goes all the way, if your bar just touches the inner circle, I guess you need to make it a bit bigger, since the circle moves first, and then you will always be able to see this tiny gap. So you just need to play with the X offset. So yeah, that's it. I finally figured it out how it works, or maybe, yeah, with help from the MU community. So yeah, see you, bye.